It's good to see you again. It's me with a new video about the two amazing text program with Windows 11. As you can see, I'm on the desktop, so I'm going to bring this notepad. To bring that, we're going to use Windows key and R. So as you can see, the first thing is this notepad. And the amazing thing about this notepad that you can actually create a lot of tab right here. You just need to click at the plus icon and you just create more and more tabs. So here, what is the best thing about this notepad? So here, when I'm going to paste my text or email ID, or you can whatever text you need, you can just copy and paste over here. So I'm going to type like test text note. So here, as you can see, I type here. I'm not going to save this, so I'm going to close this. So as you can see, it doesn't actually ask me that you want to save that or not. So if you even restart your PC, so the text is going to be available on the notepad. So now we are going to use this Windows key and R. So here, as you can see, I'm going to hit enter. So again, as you can see, it's show me the same text, and I didn't even lost that. So here, if I go to the other tabs, even I can see my older tabs as well. So this is one of the best thing about this program that we can use without installing Microsoft Office. So if I'm going to click at the setting, so as you can see, I can change the app theme, I can change the font, or I can change the word wrap. So it's going to fit text within window by default. So if we don't want to fit that text, so simply we are going to turn off this. So as you can see here, we have this opening files. So if I'm going to select this open in a new window, so whenever I'm going to open a file in .txt, so it's going to open me in a new window. So if I'm going to select this open in a new tab, so whenever you are going to open any notepad file, so it's going to open it in these tabs that's available right here. So here, let me show you. If I'm going to select this when notepad starts, so open content from the previous session. So if this is by default, this is turn on, but if I'm going to select this or turn on this open a new window, so whenever I'm going to open this notepad, so this feature is really handy, so I don't want to lose this. So I want to select this open content from the previous session, so I can see all my content. I don't want to open it a new window, so you don't have to change that. So I just wanted to show you that you can change that by using these settings. And also, when I'm going to click on the file and whenever I'm going to click save, so now I'm going to click on the desktop. So when we are going to make a copy or save this copy of our text, so it's going to save .txt. And also here, as you can see, I can select all files, so I can see all the extensions, save type, but simply only this .txt is going to be available. So when I'm going to click save, so it's going to save on .txt. So still this data is going to be available until you're not going to change your windows. So whenever you are going to click close, so again when you're going to open your notepad, so it's going to be available all the text with that program. And also we have another program that's called this WordPad. So when we are going to open this program, this is also going to use for the text. As you can see, we have amino available here on the top. I can click on this file, I can save that, I can print, I can send to mail, or I can exit from here. And also you can paste your text right here. You can change the font, you can change it to bold, italic, you can give it underline, and you can do this changing text color. You can make it capital, or you can actually select this and click on this to increase the font size. You cannot change this to a capital, it's only you can increase the size. As you can see here, we have this indent. It means that whenever you're going to make a copy, so let me show you how this is going to work. So I'm going to select or control it to select everything. As you can see, if I'm going to insert this, it's going to show me that I can give a space between my paragraphs. And also you can add this bullet to your text or list bullet. As you can see, I can give a space between my paragraphs, and you can just align your paragraph. You can click on the picture to bring the picture here. You can just click on the pen drawing, so you can pen draw inside this program. You can just click date and time to change that. You can click on insert object. So if I'm going to insert object, as you can see, is going to show me this Adobe Acrobat document, or you can add more documents. Make sure you installed your files. You can simply just bring that object right here, and if I click on the find, so simply I can find all my text. And simply when you're going to find your text, you can replace with this. So this is really easy to use. If I go to this view, simply I can change all this view. I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can give it a specific percentage. I can just remove or uncheck this rule, so it's not going to be available, this ruler. And also if I want to remove this status bar, so simply I can click. As you can see, this measurements in units that you want to be in centimeter, you want to be in inches, you want to be in points, you want to be in places. I think we have to picas, not places. I'm really sorry about that. I couldn't be able to see it properly, so it's all the measurements for this program. So as you can see, if I'm going to select this no wrap, so no text wrap is going to show up. If I'm going to select this wrap, so it's going to wrap. So if I'm going to select this wrap to ruler, so according to this ruler, your text is going to be wrapped. So this program is really a best program that you can use. Let me show you the extension. When I'm going to click on the save, so this extension is going to be docx, which is going to be for when Word or Word document, Microsoft Office document. As you can see, you can save it .odt, you can save it .txt, which you can later on, which you can use to open it with notepad. As you can see here with this MS DOS format, which is .txt as well, and also you can save it Unicode text document as well. So with this program, you're going to get many more extension, and the main extension that you are going to get with this program is .rtf. So this program doesn't have that kind of thing that whenever you're going to click, you can open a new tab, and also when you're going to click close, so this program is going to ask you want to save that or not. If you click don't save, so if we compare this to making copies for the text, so the notepad is going to be the best. And if you want to make a copy, and there we have another video that we made about the clipboard, that you can use clipboard with your Windows 11 as well. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and hope this really help you with your Windows. And if you think this video is really helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video. And if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys until next video.